Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to do a complete variant-wise comparison for Kia Sonet. So if you are confused between petrol or diesel, manual or automatic, or which variant gets the best value for money, then make sure to watch this video till the end because this video will help you choose the perfect Kia Sonet variant according to your budget and requirements. So first is HTE variant. Its ex-showroom price is rupees 7.33 lakh and the on-road price in Indore is rupees 8.67 lakh. This variant is available in 1.2 petrol manual option with features like 15-inch steel wheels, front power windows, manual adjustable ORVMS, halogen headlamps. But you still miss out on features like alloy wheels, push button start, sunroof, fog lamps, ADAS features. This variant is mainly for buyers who want the Kia Sonet at lowest price possible. Now second is HTEO, that is optional variant. The ex-showroom price for this variant starts from rupees 7.7 lakh and the on-road price in Indore is rupees 9.14 lakh. This variant is available in petrol manual and diesel manual and automatic option. This variant gets features like 15-inch steel wheels, all power windows, electrically adjustable ORVMS. However, you still do not get alloy wheels, push button start, sunroof, fog lamps, ADS. This variant mainly improves practicality and overall comfort. Now third is HTKO, that is optional variant. The ex-showroom price starts from rupees 8.77 lakh and the on-road price in Indore is rupees 10.26 lakh for this variant. And this variant is available in petrol manual option, turbo petrol manual and automatic option, and diesel in manual and automatic option. Now this is where the Sonet really starts feeling premium because the features are 16-inch wheels, LED headlamps, push button starts, electrically adjustable ORVMS, sunroof, all power windows. But somehow you still miss out on alloy wheels, fog lamps and ADAS. Honestly, this variant offers a very strong balancing between pricing and features. Now fourth is HTK Plus variant. The ex-showroom price for this variant starts from rupees 9.14 lakh and the on-road price in Indore is rupees 10.72 lakh. This variant is available in petrol and turbo petrol manual option and diesel in manual and automatic option. Now this variant gets features like 16-inch alloy wheels, LED projector headlamps, LED fog lamps, electrically foldable ORVMS, push button start, sunroof, rear camera. This is where the Sonet starts feeling truly premium. Now fifth is HTK Plus O variant. The ex-showroom price starts from rupees 9.64 lakh and the on-road price in Indore is rupees 11.23 lakh. This variant is available in turbo petrol in manual and automatic, diesel in manual and automatic option. Now the biggest highlight of this variant is the premium styling and feature package. It has diamond cut alloy wheels, crown jewel LED headlamps, LED fog lamps, electrically foldable automatic ORVMS, push button start, sunroof, premium interiors. This variant still misses out on ADAS, but for most buyers, this will easily be the perfect sweet spot. Now sixth is HTX variant. The ex-showroom price starts from rupees 11.32 lakh and the on-road price in Indore is rupees 13.70 lakh. This variant is available in turbo petrol automatic and diesel in automatic and manual option. This variant adds features like 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, crown jewel, LED projector headlamps, LED fog lamps, sunroof, push button start, auto folding ORVMS, premium interiors. If you want a premium SUV experience without spending extra for ADS, then HTX becomes a very sensible option. Now seventh is GTX Plus variant. Its showroom price starts from rupees 13.51 lakh and the on-road price in Indore is rupees 15.97 lakh. This variant is available in turbo petrol automatic and diesel automatic option. It gets features like ADAS Level 1, 16-inch crystal cut alloy wheels, Ice Cube LED fog lamps, crown jewel LED headlamps, ventilated seats, 360-degree camera, sunroof, push button start. This is the most feature-loaded Sonet. Now 8th is X-Line variant. The X-showroom price starts from Rs 13.71 lakh and the on-road price in Indore is approximately 16.12 lakh. This variant is available in turbo petrol automatic option. It gets features like exclusive matte exterior styling, sporty crystal cut alloy wheels, ADAS level 1, LED projector headlamps, LED fog lamps, sunroof, premium black interiors, push button start. This is the most sporty and premium looking Kia Sonet. Now, here are some best variant recommendations. If your budget is tight, then the HTK O variant makes the most sense. And if you want the best value for money variant, then definitely go for the HTK Plus O. If safety is your top priority, then the GTX Plus is the best option because it offers ADAS along with premium comfort features. And if you want the most sporty and premium Kia Sonet experience, then X-Line should be your pick. So guys, this was the complete detailed comparison of the 2026 Kia Sonet petrol, diesel, manual and automatic variants. Now comment below and tell me which Kia Sonet variant would you personally buy. And if this video helped you, then don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more automobile comparison videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.